Which crypto platform is better for you? The one with low fees, or the one built on institutional-grade security? When you jump into the world of crypto, choosing your first exchange can feel overwhelming. Two big names often come up: Robinhood Crypto and Gemini. They couldn't be more different in their approach, and understanding those differences is key to protecting your assets and reaching your financial goals. Robinhood is famous for its simple interface and its big selling point: zero-commission crypto trades. If you're a beginner, or someone who mostly trades stocks and ETFs and just wants to dip a toe in Bitcoin or Ethereum, Robinhood makes it incredibly easy. You can buy, sell, and manage your traditional investments right alongside your crypto. However, Robinhood offers a very limited number of cryptocurrencies. You're talking less than 30 coins. And while they say zero commission, remember they profit from the spread, the difference between the price you buy at and the price they sell at. So, the trades aren't exactly free. Then you have Gemini. Gemini has a completely different reputation. They are the security and compliance champion. Founded by the Winklevoss twins, they were built from the ground up with a compliance-first mindset. For the average investor, this means peace of mind. Gemini is SOC 1 and SOC 2 certified, which is a big deal in the financial world. They offer deep cold storage for the majority of customer assets and comprehensive insurance. Now, what about features? Gemini is a dedicated crypto exchange, so it has more for the serious crypto user. They offer Active Trader, an advanced platform for sophisticated users with lower, tiered fees. They also support a significantly larger number of cryptocurrencies, over 70, and offer services like staking to earn rewards on your holdings. Their standard fees are higher than Robinhood's zero-commission model, but what you pay for is that rock-solid security and the wider range of assets and tools. So, how do you choose? If your priority is simplicity, you already use Robinhood for stocks, and you only want to trade the most popular coins, Robinhood might be your pick. It's a great entryway into crypto. But, if you value security above all else, want access to a broader range of altcoins, and plan to get into advanced trading or staking, Gemini is the clear winner. You're trading slightly higher standard fees for institutional-grade compliance and a suite of advanced crypto features. Ultimately, the best platform is the one that aligns with your experience level and your investment strategy. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.